Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Tesla Model Y tire cover full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and placing wheel chocks behind the opposite wheels. Take a moment to inspect the cover for clips or screws and clean dirt away so clips release smoothly. I'll walk you step by step, from prying safe access points to reinstalling covers so you feel confident and efficient. Begin removal by finding all fasteners and visualizing clip locations around the tire cover edge. Gently insert a trim tool at clip point and twist slowly to release tension without bending the cover. Work methodically around the rim, alternating sides to keep pressure even and avoid pop-outs that can scratch paint. If any clips resist, stop and clean the area, then try again to prevent damage and preserve reusable clips. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making practical car content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your garage floor and gear tidy with voice control and smart mapping, making cleanup after wheel work effortless and satisfying. It's a small upgrade that saves time and hassle when you're handling tires or tools. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When reinstalling, line up tabs and gently press the cover toward the rim until each clip engages and you hear a satisfying click. Replace damaged clips with proper OEM or compatible parts to maintain the cover's secure fit and avoid future rattles. After installation, visually confirm the cover sits flush and spin the wheel slowly to ensure there's no contact or wobble. This careful approach keeps your wheels protected and looking tidy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.